Hi and welcome, my name is Carl and this is my DJI Mini 3, which is actually a super amazing little powerhouse that can take very professional looking footage even though it's in a small package. But there is one thing that is annoying me a bit, and it's that the gimbal is actually super flimsy. And this can actually be causing trouble when you want to put on the protection. It's a bit difficult to get it to fit it properly, and yeah, as you can see now it's tending to turn downwards, and that is actually quite annoying. So what I'm doing is that in my camera bag I am keeping this little piece of black foam that came with the Mini 3 when it was new, and I will actually place it right where it was when I was unboxing it, underneath the gimbal here. The camera is focusing on my face. So I will put it right here, and as you can see the gimbal is now a lot firmer and facing forward. So this will make it a lot easier to mount the gimbal protection on it. So if you have just ordered your Mini 3, keep this in mind when you are unboxing it, that you will keep this little piece of black foam. Or if you have already thrown it away, I think you can easily cut a piece of foam from maybe a Scotch-Brite or some sort of sponge. This little and very simple hack has really made my life a lot easier, and I hope it will help you too. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you have any questions let me know in the comments below, and thanks for watching.